first one is macadamia. It's the Meiji brand. They're just like little chocolates. It's like this, like a little chocolate with macadamia nuts inside. That's good. I feel like it's like a 9 out of 10. We're gonna try this. I think it's going to be like pear fruity dried fruit. Yeah. Oh, it's like a little. It's flavored. It's like a dum-dum, like a lollipop. If you like pear flavors, it kind of tastes like. I would say I think like 7 out of 10 because it's good. And if I wanted like a hard candy that tastes like a pear, this is a good option.